Okay, folks, example number 3 says a coin and a number cube are tossed. You toss the coin, you throw the number cube, or the die. List the possible results, so we need to list them. Then explain how to use a tree diagram and the counting principle to find how many results are possible. Well, let's do this. I'm going to write tree diagram here. And then I'll write counting principle here. Okay. Now, who wants to tell me how I would use the counting principle to find out how many different possibilities there are? Carson, thank you. Carson, I'm going to ask you, how many, if we're going to use the counting principle, how many different things are we looking at?
2.
We're looking at 2. We're looking at the coin, and we're looking at the number cube. Now, how many possible things are there for the coin?
Heads and tails.
So how many?
2.
2 possible outcomes for the coin. How many possible outcomes for the number cube?
6.
6. So what do I do with these 2 numbers to find out the total number of possibilities?
Do you multiply?
I do. The counting principle says just multiply them, and it gives you the answer. Okay? Now, Helena, I want you to help me with the tree diagram here. And again, we'll list it at coin, and then we'll list cube. How many different things are there for the coin?
Heads and tails.
Heads and tails, right? Now, how many different things can I get from the number cube after I roll heads?
You could get a 1.
I could get heads 1,
2.
2, 3,
4.
4,
5.
5,
6.
and 6. But I need to list it again if I started with tails.
So list the numbers 1 through 6.
3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to draw little arrows like that. Okay? Now, if I list them like they ask us to, I can get heads 1, heads 2, heads 3, heads 4, heads 5, heads 6, tails 1, tails 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. How many different combinations are there, Flynn? 12. And we found that from using the counting principle, Carson. Thank you very much. All right? Great job. Let's see what we've got on this next one.